Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. The people in pilgrimage in our first reading, the disciples, particularly James and John, enjoy the one special presence in their midst. And that was our response ago during the responsorial psalm, God is with us. Kasama nila ang Diyos. God was with these people in pilgrimage. That is why that hype to come along and be part of the pilgrim journey to Jerusalem was that happy, was that willing because indeed God was with them. Malaki yung kanilang kagustuhan na sumama sa sa peregrinasyon na ito. Dahil alam nilang buhay ang Diyos, dito sila panatag ang kanilang kalooban dahil kasama nila ang Diyos. But while these people were so happy, they were so eager to go to pilgrimage because God is with them, James and John knew very well that they are going on a pilgrimage because then they also know very much that Jesus stands with them. But they were not that eager. They were hot-tempered when the Samaritans wasn't able to prepare and even didn't receive Jesus and His company to their presence. There is a gap between the Samaritans and the Jews. We believe that. But digging deeper, James and John was with Jesus, but their heads and their hearts were not that cold and soft, but were tempered so much, and then anger fired up on them. My dear brothers and sisters, I do believe it is a good reminder to all of us and a good premise to all of us to bring with that God is with us. Siguro po magandang ilagay ito sa mga pinagtatrabahuan ninyo. Magandang ilagay ho siguro at makitang ito ay buhay sa mga taong kakausapin natin in front of families, in front of people to whom we will be encountering with, that God is with them. Because knowing that God is with them will encourage us to behave well. Knowing that God stays with these people, with you and with me, I do believe that there will be an extension of our generosity and an extension of our lives here. Take off the reality that God is with us, then toxicity will follow, dishonesty will follow. We won't be trustworthy anymore. We won't be accountable anymore. We won't be good anymore. God is with us will not only be an assurance, but this is a reminder for us to be good, for us to be gentle, and for us to be kind as we also do our pilgrim journey.